to remove featured photos on Facebook. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do, you have to click on the profile picture in the top left corner. When you click on this, you can come to this page, and here you can see your featured collection here. So here you can see my featured collection. But if you want to delete your featured photos, then what you have to do is you have to click on the three dots in right beside the add to story, and when you click on the three dots, then you come to this page and you have to click on the edit profile in the top of the page. When you click on the edit profile, you come to this page, and here you can, in the feature tab, you can see the collection. You can add the new feature photo by clicking on the new, but if you then there is my collection, it means my featured photos, my current featured photos. So if you want to delete them, you have to click on the this featured collection, then here there is two options, then you have to click on the delete featured collection, and then to confirm you have to click on the OK, and he is deleting your featured collection. And here you can see that there is no featured photos. If you again go to your profile, the profile photo, and when you refresh it, then here you can see that there is also no featured photos. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.